Keep your Maruti Suzuki Brezza's infotainment system up to date for optimal performance. There are two primary methods, USB and over-the-air OTA. OTA updates, available for 2023 and later models, offer convenience by updating wirelessly via Wi-Fi. For older models or when OTA fails, USB updates are necessary. To update via USB, download the latest firmware from the official Maruti Suzuki website, transfer it to a FAT32 formatted USB drive, and follow the on-screen prompts after inserting it into the car's USB port in accessory mode. Ensure your car's battery is above 50% for OTA updates to prevent interruptions. Note, OTA updates are more robust in India and Southeast Asia. Maps and smartphone integrations are vital for your Brezza's infotainment system. Maps can be updated through the system's App Store or connected services, often using Google Maps for real-time traffic data. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay provide seamless integration with your smartphone. Ensure your phone runs Android 8 Plus or iOS 12 Plus for compatibility. Wireless connectivity is standard, enhancing features like voice commands and split-screen views. Stay secure with encrypted updates to protect against vulnerabilities. If you encounter lag with Android Auto, ensure your infotainment is fully updated. Regular updates improve system security and performance, so staying current is crucial. For any failed updates, revert to USB updates.